All right, so this is our Viceroy generative art piece. And what this is an image that was created using a cryptocurrency token. So we have an ERC20 token called Tulip. We use it for kind of creative and artistic endeavors. And in this case, what we're doing here is we take 2 million of the tokens, we run it through an algorithm, and it outputs an image. And we actually output a lot of images. We pick ones that look most like flowers, or in this case, it kind of looks like a tulip bulb. And then we print on acrylic and we put it in this frame. This frame has a computer in it, and there's an LED display which connects to a web server, and it can give real-time pricing information on the token. The token's not on exchange right now, it's just kind of in our own little test net, our internal garden. But every 2 minutes or so, I don't know if we'll see it. Oh, there it goes. The display will fire up. It'll tell you the price of the entire piece. This is basically a hardware wallet. It's like a real elaborate hardware wallet. And so there's 2 million tokens inside the piece. The price of that is $40,000 for the piece, because it looks up the real-time information of what each token is worth. Each token's worth 4 cents right now. Like I said, it's not actually live, it's just sort of a test. But yeah, and then so we have LEDs in the frame. This is a static image. The LEDs are what is changing the color, and we're just having it do kind of this simple animation to show the different colors it does. There's some nice kind of blends of colors that happen when you have kind of like, the purple and red right here. But these colors can be changed via different algorithms of like, what is the token doing on the market? Is it going up? Is it going down? Can kind of give like a mood color of the token, do some real interesting stuff from that perspective. But yeah, that's the Tulip generative art. That's what we've been working on. This is the Viceroy. Over here is a large one. That's gonna be the Semper Augustus. We're still figuring out kind of the process for printing these things and getting all the different elements correct on them. But yeah, there you go.